Think eating healthy in South Africa costs too much? I'm about to show you how to feed your family nutritious meals for under 50 rands per person per day, using foods you already know and love. Stick around because tip number 3 will change how you shop forever. Sawubona Mzansi. I'm the expert, your registered dietitian here at Diet Guru, and today we're tackling the biggest myth in South African nutrition, that healthy eating is expensive. With food prices rising and the rand under pressure, I get it, feeding your family well feels impossible. But what if I told you that some of our most nutritious foods are actually our most affordable? Let's dive into 3 game-changing strategies that will transform your grocery budget without sacrificing your health. First up, our local superfoods that cost a fraction of imported alternatives. Murogo versus spinach. Fresh murogo from street vendors costs 5 to 10 rands per bunch versus 25 to 30 rands for packaged spinach. Both are nutritional powerhouses, but murogo often has higher iron content and connects you to your heritage. Samp and beans. This traditional combination gives you complete proteins for under R20 per kg. Compare that to chicken at 80 rands plus per kg. Add some murogo, tomatoes, and onions. You've got a 30 rands meal that feeds 4 people with all essential amino acids. Sweet potatoes over regular potatoes. Orange sweet potatoes are often cheaper and pack 4x more vitamin A. Buy them directly from farmers in places like Mpumalanga or KZN. 10 rands per kg versus 15 to 20 rands in supermarkets. Point 2 is all about timing and knowing your seasons. Summer abundance. This is when tomatoes, peppers and gem squash are dirt cheap. I'm talking 5 rands per kg for tomatoes. Make huge batches of murogo sauce. Freeze portions. Your future self will thank you when tomatoes hit 40 rands per kg in winter. Winter warriors. Butternut, cabbage and oranges are at their peak. A whole butternut for 15 rands can make soup for a week. Cabbage at 8 rands per head becomes coleslaw, chakalaka and stir fries. Pro tip. Visit your local municipal markets on Saturdays before closing. Vendors often sell at 50% off rather than take produce home. I've seen people walk away with boxes of vegetables for under 100 rands. Here's the game changer. Learning to stretch expensive ingredients. Meat stretching. Instead of 500 g mince for your family, use 250 g and bulk it up with lentils, grated butternut or TVP. Textured vegetable protein. Your family won't taste the difference, but your wallet will. And you've actually increased the fiber and nutrients. The 1 chicken, 5 meals method. Buy a whole chicken cheaper per kg than pieces. Meal 1, roast with vegetables. Meal 2, strip meat for chicken mayo sandwiches. Meal 3, make stock from bones. Add vegetables for soup. Meal 4, use remaining stock for cooking rice or porridge. That's 60 rands for a chicken feeding your family for days. Bulk cooking secrets. Make a massive pot of samp and beans on Sunday. Throughout the week, Monday, serve as is. Tuesday, fry with eggs for breakfast. Wednesday, blend some into soup. Thursday, add murogo and tomatoes. 1 cooking session, multiple meals. Listen, Mzansi, healthy eating isn't about expensive superfoods from overseas. It's about rediscovering the nutritional wisdom our grandparents knew. Murogo, samp, sweet potatoes, seasonal vegetables. These aren't poor people's food. They're nutrient-dense choices that happen to be budget-friendly. When you combine traditional foods with smart shopping and stretching strategies, you're not just saving money, you're eating better than most people spending double your budget. Want my complete healthy eating on 200 rands a week meal plan with shopping lists and recipes? It's free in the description below. And if this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. We're building a community of South Africans who refuse to choose between healthy and affordable. See you next week when we're diving into traditional foods that beat expensive supplements. Sharp, sharp.